So everyone got lost. We're here in the middle of the jungle. I couldn't believe it, you know? We actually got lost. I thought, oh, okay, we just steered away from the path for a bit. So, you are in Medellin, you have a couple of days off. What do? Go to the mountains. See? Medellin is surrounded by mountains. It's really beautiful out here. The temperature is great. Today it's not so sunny, but it's perfect day for hiking actually. I don't know yet where we're gonna hike, but there's plenty to choose from. So just had breakfast and coffee. It's exactly 10. Let's go for a hike. We're going to Envigado.
So right now we're gonna go to Cascada Salto del Ángel.
How long till we get there?
47 minutes.
So the hike we're going on is called Cascada de Angels, and yeah, it shouldn't be such a long one, couple of hours. Don't know much about it. I'll trust my friends to guide me. There's no reception. I wanted to add it to all trails, but yeah. Starts here at this wonderful church, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Sí, solo Cascada.
Bueno, 10.000 pesitos. Y me regala su nombre, su número de teléfono y su identificación.
Ah, sí.
Ese
¿Para
es
todos?
¿Cuántos son? ¿Tres?
Tres. Sí.
¿Hay uno colombiano?
Sí, uno colombiano.
Entonces son 20.000 porque el colombiano no
No,
paga. ¿Va?
sí.
En febrero fue la última muerte allí.
Sí.
Tengan cuidado. ¿va?
¿Qué? ¿La última muerte aquí?
Sí.
Ahí no pasa.
No, en serio. Han muerto muchas personas, pero siempre que vayan con cautela, con cuidado y se cuiden, pues no les va a pasar nada. ¿va?
Bueno, muchas gracias.
Bueno.
So, this is somebody's private property, kind of? If they charge entrance?
Yeah, probably. But it can also be government.
Such a beautiful forest. Angel Eco Trail, 80 minutes.
Yes, por aquí. Yes.
So 80 minutes, how much is that in kilometers? Maybe like 4 or 5? Salto? It's a bit more dangerous and somebody died. I want to see if that's the case or if it's just exaggerated. This looks a bit more tricky. If you fall here, no bueno. Oh wow, so, okay, so this hike it's a bit challenging. Like, there's a lot of these ropes here. You need to be careful. Big drops. So yeah, I get now how somebody died here. if you're not careful you can slip and you're kind of gone. And this is the waterfall. I think you can even swim here. I'm gonna go up there and see. Cuídate.
No, está bien.
Está bien.
Está perfecto.
Oh fuck. So she just fell in the water with the camera. It's beautiful. Okay, so that was not that bad. I've been hiking for like maybe 20 minutes, so 40 minutes round trip. It's you have to be a bit careful, so I guess the estimation of the hike being 80 minutes is for people that don't usually do this kind of hikes, because a lot of the portions are full of ropes, so you really have to be careful, and some portions are also quite slippery. So yeah, but really fun hike. Now it's time for a picnic, lunch, and start going. Looks very rainy. Yeah, we're definitely getting wet till we get to the car. Let's go, let's go! The weather changed so fast, so one moment it was sunny and now like thunders and rain. So everyone got lost. We're here in the middle of the jungle. And it's Hailstorm. Fuck. Found the trail. I couldn't believe it, you know? That ice was coming and we actually got lost. I thought, oh, okay, we just steered away from the path for a bit. And we were like 10, 12 people stuck there. Whew. Is this jacket that you have waterproof? Not really, right?
It looks. It says that it is. But...
You should mark this trail a bit better.
Record like.
Yeah, I got it.
Dave on his head like. Even me.
I was like this with my hands. Yeah, really. It was Hailstorm. I tried to keep my backpack like this so it doesn't get wet.
She has.
Shit.
He was. His wheels were stuck in the ice when he started.
What was that?